Hello, my name is Kit Beaudry with MarineMax Pensacola, and today I'm going to take you on a walkthrough of this 2021 Grady-White 456 Canyon. Welcome aboard this extravagant vessel. We'll start at the transom and you will see we're powered with our standard power quad Yamaha 425 XTOs. And moving into the cockpit area, you will see moving in, you board from either the port or the starboard side. That being said, you have a solid transom with dual live wells and also a centerline fish box here that is refrigerated. A very unique feature on the 456 is if you're sitting right here at the mezzanine and you're facing aft, you could watch your bottom machine on a display up to 24 inches. You will see down below in our bilge area, we have our diesel-powered Fisher Panda generator. On the forward side of our bulkhead here, you will see we have a Seakeeper 6, which is in full function. This mezzanine area here at the transom is a great spot if you're just looking to ride or if you're looking to fish the boat. You have your shade up above, keeping you cool if you're looking to bottom fish, or if you're just wanting to troll and watch your baits, you have your air condition here, your footrest down below, just a very functional area on the boat. If you want to entertain on the 456, you can do that as well. With this Kenyon electric grill, entertain all of your guests with a nice shrimp or hamburgers, whatever you like, your choice, undercover, shaded, out of the way. Off to the port side behind the helm area, you will see lift up here, kind of like a small bait prep station. Little cutting board up here and a sink down below to wash up. Stepping up to the helm area, the first thing you will notice, because of our 14-foot wide beam, is 4 helm seats, each electric and independent. At our helm, you will see we have a Blake Electronics panel, letting our customer choose if they want to put dual 24-inch Garmins, or if you want to do 3 17-inch Garmins, or Raymarine, whatever your preference of electronics may be. You will see we have our Yamaha CL7 and our smaller C-Zone system here. You have your main C-Zone system down below. Our Fusion Apollo head unit, our Seakeeper module, our bow thruster, our zip weight trim tabs, throttles, and then our joystick system with the new generation joystick offering you stay point, fish point, and drift point. So as you step down below, the first thing you will see on the 456 is how plush this cabin is and designed for everyone to come down below and cool off, get a shower, get ready for the fishing on that next day. As you come down the first set of steps, you will see to your left the main C-Zone panel that controls everything on the boat. And up above, you will see your Dometic controls for your AC and your fish boxes. Stepping down further into the cabin, you will see off to port a microwave and storage. Forward, you will see 2 nice recliners with a table in the center, very well finished, very beautiful wood look. Setting that table down with an insert cushion, making that a full bed with a TV up above. Off to starboard, you will see a cooktop, nice little galley area with a sink, with storage up above. And lastly, you will see a very unique head. As you step in, you will see how large it really is, closing it off to shower, or if you want to close it off and the rods have their own shower as well. Just a very unique setup. As we make our way forward on this very spacious bow that is so unique in many ways, you will see a forward sun pad, seating 3 comfortably while underway. Next, you will see our forward area where our tables that retract down, making this a large sun pad area, forward-facing backrest. We'd like to conclude this video aboard the 456 Canyon, and we'd like to thank you for watching. Remember, we're always open at MarineMax.com.